Welcome back. But if this is your first time, I'm David, and this is Terry.
And we're the first timers, and we're trying things for the first time so you don't have to.
In our last episode, we made smoked Kahlua pork and Hawaiian macaroni salad. And in this episode, we're getting out of our house and out of the kitchen, and we're gonna be doing something that's gonna make us very uncomfortable.
Today we're gonna take you on a walking tour of downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida.
So why did we leave the house? Well, we wanted to get comfortable being out in public filming, and I'll tell you right now, this is not comfortable at all. So we're gonna try and film around people, strangers, which we don't like, and see if we can do it. We're starting today's walk at Sunset Bowls.
It serves acai bowls, smoothies, and coffee.
Walk through the downtown area and hit some of the key highlights. So if you want to see two people very uncomfortable around strangers and possibly get in an argument about doing it, then stay tuned because I'm already sweating and I don't want to go out of this room right now.
This is going to be about as uncomfortable as it can be.
We'll see how it goes. All right, Terry, let the cringe begin.
Come with me.
Okay, so we just walked past our first people, and that was very uncomfortable.
Super uncomfortable.
How'd you feel?
I'm ready to go back home where it's safe.
Okay, here's the library. This is the Fort Walton Beach Library. You get a lot of books and other periodical type material.
So we're at Parlor Donuts now. Their donuts are kind of unique to the store. They're layered donuts, kind of like a puff pastry. They have a variety of flavors, and they also have seasonal donuts, coffee, juice, and some locations actually have milkshakes. Well, we're not going to do it today, but if you guys comment in the comment section below and you want us to come back here and try all of the donuts, let us know, and I'll be looking like this guy eating through a couple dozen donuts. All right, we're at Burritos of the Sun. We've heard great things about this place. Fokker's Pub. They have a variety of pizza, wings, sandwiches, burgers. They just got new owners this past month, so we're looking forward to trying it out and seeing what has changed or stayed the same.
We came down here on a Friday afternoon, and there is definitely a lot of traffic. But this is a tourist town, and so you get the souvenir shops, there's a couple bars down here. All right, as you can tell, it's a pretty busy road. We're actually here on off season, so it's February and it's still a really busy place. But we're in front of one of the local bars, Coasters. This place packs out every weekend and then pretty much every night, spring and summer.
Coasters also has live music almost every single night.
And if you want a great slice of pizza or a whole pizza at the end of the night,
Downtown Music Hall's Pizza Kitchen. Anybody interested in getting a tattoo? they serve burgers and shakes. Nice. Nice, thank you, sir. We're on the backside of Miracle Strip Parkway now. There's a bunch of restaurants and shops on the backside too, so don't forget to check those out while you're out here.
Well, we survived our first walking tour ever, and
just barely.
Not without a couple arguments, a lot of loud cars, a lot of awkward looks.
Very loud, a lot louder than we had anticipated it being.
It was about as uncomfortable as we thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
Recommend in the future, we definitely would do it in not Friday afternoon time frame.
Yeah.
And maybe a lot earlier in the day. So I don't know what was more uncomfortable, people watching us with the camera and the microphone, or all the guys driving by hooting and hollering at Terry.
I mean, that's just a typical day for me.
Par for the course.
You just learn to tune it out, I'll tell you.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Wouldn't recommend.
Wouldn't?
I mean, I'll do it again, but...
Yeah, I mean, we got to do it tomorrow because we have another...
Shh, don't tell them.
So this was actually practice walking around in public.
So we don't look like idiots tomorrow.
Oh, we're going to look like idiots tomorrow. So I just don't feel as uncomfortable looking like an idiot tomorrow. Recommendations for anybody that wants to do this?
Don't.
Don't do it.
Just kidding. You should try it at least once.
It definitely got us out of our comfort zone. And I think that's really why we're doing this, is to get us out of our comfort zone. And walking around with a camera and a microphone and all of that really was about as uncomfortable as we get. So there's only one thing left to do. Acai bowls. Stay tuned for the next episode where we do something else for the first time so you don't have to.
First timers.
High five.